Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar and this is the part 11 of the video series HTML and CSS for the beginners. In this video, we talk about fonts. So let's start. I already created the HTML markup for you. So first let me show you what we got so far. There is a H1 and 3 paragraphs in this web page. Now to manipulate text. There are 2 types of properties, text and font properties. Text alignment, center. It brings H1 to the center of the page. Text alignment, left. The heading will go to left, which is also a default in CSS. Now we will change it to right. Now we try center line. Center. Heading often look good at center. Now we use paragraph font size. We can change size of the font by using font size, such as 25 pixel. Now you can see clearly the font size of the paragraphs are changed to 25 pixel, and because of P selector, the style which we apply to all 3 paragraphs. Font weight, bold. Now font is bold. Normal. It's back to normal. There is one more way to write the thickness of the text by numeric value, which I use to display the thickness of the font, such as 400 is referred as normal font size. You can see it clearly in the web page. The text is looking normal. And 700 is referred to bold font size. Font style, italic. Font weight is looking creepy, so back to normal. And there is a text decoration property, Underlined, by which you can underline the text or overline the text. You can add color also, red. Line through. You can change the formation, something like maybe. Let me change it to underline. Now this is wavy, some kind of sound wave. Another pattern is dotted. There is one more, double. Let me zoom it for you. We can change the thickness of the line, something like 5 pixel. Weight 2 pixel. Let me change it to single. Solid. That's all for now. We will cover much more things in detail in the future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for the latest video updates. And please, if you have any doubt, comment me. I will love to help you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.